Yeah, guys, good day, everyone. Welcome to Legit Crypto and Forex. On this video, is going to be a brief one. I want to show us something amazing, but this strategy is for beginners. Like I say, this trading strategy is for beginners, those that are entering the Forex new. Why did I say so? Because those ones are skeptical, they want to make profit, they don't have patience to learn. There are many factors. They don't want to lose money. So I brought about this trading strategy so that I can help them trade the market with ease. That's my agenda for this video. So that they can trade the market with ease. First thing first, guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do so to subscribe. Turn the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. You can testify with that recently I've been uploading videos back to back so that many people can learn, especially my friends and brothers that are just starting the forex market. So I don't want them to lose out. I really don't want them to lose out at all. I don't want them to lose out. So I'm doing my best to see that I give them all it takes for them to trade the market, make profit, and then gather much money for them to trade with bigger lot size and bigger position. So meanwhile, that is for that. So I expect everyone to watch this video to the end. Watch this video to the end as you understand what I want to show you. Now let me explain to us. Okay, sorry. Let me fix these settings. Sorry. This is supposed to be 30. It's supposed to be 30. So guys, this is a simple trading strategy. This trading strategy enables you to pick 5 candlesticks as a beginner. This is for BOOM1000. It enables you to pick 5 candlesticks. Don't need to be greedy. You just need to pick 5 candlesticks. 5 candlesticks. Just 5. Not more than 5. 5 candlesticks. So that you can be able to rise. You know, as a beginner, you are tempted to make huge profit. You are tempted to make more than making your capital in a day. That's what you'll be thinking, that you can make your capital in a day. So you are rushing, you want to make money. They told you that it's money for us, yes. So all you need to do is to take 5 candlesticks. 5 candlesticks. Just 5. Just 5, guys. Just 5. Now this is the trick there. This we use this second window, this indicator window, second window, sorry, here as our first confirmation, and then this will be our second confirmation. So now you see that we're having first confirmation here. This is our first confirmation. This particular place is our first confirmation, while this particular place is our second confirmation, while this is our first confirmation. Our first confirmation. So now when you confirm with your indicator window, You wait for the second confirmation in your chart window before you enter the market. Guys, you need to confirm every trade before you enter it. Why? Because there are tendencies that the market maker will want to give a stop hunt to deceive traders. But for you to stay ahead of them, you need to confirm your trade. You need to confirm your trade, guys. So don't be in a haste to make money. Be in a haste to secure your capital while you make profit. That is how it is in this game. Now look at it, guys. Now first thing first, you are going to wait for when price cross this red line, cross the yellow line here from up, crossing downward. That's for sell. We are selling it from up, crossing downward for a sell. We have to wait to confirm it. Once you see it, then you make sure price cut across or is below the yellow line up here. Once it's below the yellow line up here, you can enter your sell. For example, now price already below here, and at this place it shows what? A cross. So you enter your sell and pick 5 candlesticks. Look at here, price cross, but after the cross, this yellow line on top has not been crossed. You see it here, there was a cross. Why? It was at this place, so there was no cross. It was at this particular place that the cross happened. So now you enter once it below here, and then you sell. Pick 5 candlestick as a beginner. Pick 5 candlestick and then you get out of the market, please. This is wisdom. This is wisdom. Look at this place too. You see, at slightest opportunity, you can make profit. Price crosses at this particular place. Look at it. But at our indicator window is at this place, price will not cross. So you have to wait for it to cross down. So it now cross here, and then you enter, you pick 5 candlesticks, it will be here, and then you are out of the market before the spike happens. This is a very simple strategy for beginners. I'm going to soon show you the settings, so stay with me. Let me show you the last one. Make sure you backtest this before you start trading. Look at another one here. This one is perfect, it's clear. This one is perfect, it's clear. Okay. Look at what happened here. Now, look at what happened here. See, there was a cross here. There was a cross at this place. But already it has crossed from here. That does not mean you should enter the trade. You should wait first until there was a cross here. So if you see a cross here, you enter the trade. It will be roughly around something here. Pick 5 candlestick and you're out. Pick 5 candlestick and you're out. Look at this particular place too. Look at this particular place. There's a cross here. There's a cross here. You sell. Guys, you make your money. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So now, let me show you the settings. Remember, this is for beginners. This is almost a perfect trading strategy. Why? Because it will give you 98% accuracy of trade. 98% accuracy of trade. Now look at it, guys. Let me show you the settings. Now the first settings is this. You have the period 30, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, and then this is it. This is just the settings. So copy it, copy the settings, period 30, shift 0, exponential, apply to close, and then you save it. The indicator window 1 is our RSI. The period is 5, apply to close, level 32, 68, and 50, and then we save it. This is the settings. We're not using the RSI for anything but for our overbought and oversold. And then the moving average. This is the most important ones. Now we have period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to first indicator data. Yeah, this is just the settings. Remember, this is for beginners. I make this video for beginners. Very easy, they can follow it anyhow, they will make profit, and from there you can be able to raise money and do one or two things. Now this is the last indicator, period 21, shift 0, exponential, apply to previous indicator. Look at it. Please take note of this. The first one is what? First indicator data, or the second moving average is previous indicator data. So this is how your chart will look like, and if your chart is like this, then you are already good to go. There is a strategy I will be teaching very soon on this, how you can actually get the long trade, the time for the long trade. I will teach you people the strategy. Why? Because there is always strategy for everything. When you can actually get more candlesticks, so I'll show you. It's what I've been doing for years now. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and then click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a video such as this. The notification bell is very important because I don't want you to miss any video, especially those that are new. I don't want you to miss any video at all. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.